Hello guys, welcome to KSR Datavizon. As you know, every month we are starting new courses and new batches in a KSR. So today also we are going to discuss about what are the courses we are launching in the month of July, how to apply and how to enroll for the free classes. So as you know, KSR is giving 5 days of free sessions. Once you like the 5 classes, then you can go and pay the fees and you can continue for other sessions, right? So we'll guide you how to launch the classes and how to log into your free courses. So you can just go to the Google, search for KSR Data Vision. You can get our website here, click on website. Okay. So if you want to inquire anything or career guidance, you can fill this form or else just directly go to the sign in. If it's you are new to the KSR, you can create a new account by clicking here. If you already have an account, you can sign in directly by using your Google or else you can use your email ID. So I'm just giving my email ID here and password as I have account already. So if you don't have account, you can create a new account. Click on explore courses. So go to, we have a multiple filter options. Click on upcoming sessions. In upcoming sessions, you can able to find 4 classes now. One is a full stack Powerbi with MS Fabric, which is the latest technology, including Fabric. It's a comes under part of data analytics. So here we are going to cover SQL, Power BI, Azure, under Azure Data Factory, some concepts of data bricks and other related Azure related to the Power BI we are going to be cover. And also MS Fabric is going to be covered here and like an introduction to the MS Fabric and how we are utilizing from data analytics point of view. And this course is handled by Uma ma'am. It's from 4th to July evening 7 to 8:30. It's an evening batch, guys. Anyone interested to attend for evening lectures, either from US people also, maybe it will be helpful to you to join in early morning. So you can opt for this course. Just click here. So you can just, it will show like buy now, but I already enrolled here. That's the reason it's showing like an access course. Or else it will show like enroll now for free or else buy now for free. So once you access the course, you can able to attend all the free lectures, guys. Okay, so let me show you. From 4th July onwards, it will start on that 4th July at 7 p.m. You can able to see the button join now. By 7 o'clock, we are launching the class. From here, you can able to join the class. And if you like the class, you can give your ratings also for all our trainers. If you have any suggestions on something, you can write here. So, and the second course we have two, one is a data science, which is going to be start from 18th July, which is by generative AI. Data science with generative AI. We are going to launch this course by Koti sir. And this one will be evening 8 p.m. IST from 18th July. If anyone interested to opt for this course, like either freshers or else experienced professionals, we are starting from very basics like a SQL, Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, NLP, large language models, and generative AI. The total course duration is going for almost 6 months. So anyone who knows already SQL and Python basics, those people also can join from the machine learning concepts or statistics onwards. We are teaching even basic statistics also. So earlier I said like if not enrolled, right, you can say like this button, enroll now, access now. You can just type here and click on class records. You can able to see 18th July onwards, it's going to be start. On 18th July at 8 p.m., you can able to see the join button. And after that, we have Azure Data Engineering by Santosh sir. So you know, right, Santosh, like he was taking all Azure Data Engineering classes here. We are planning in future to add GCP also, but now we are focusing on Azure Data Engineering mainly. Here, SQL, Python, PySpark, Big Data, Hadoop, and Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Data Lake, Synapse, all these concepts we are going to be covered. This is in 18th July morning, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. onwards. So if anyone interested, either from US, India, Canada, or else in UK, as per your time zones, you can just plan to attend these lectures. Once you can attend 5 lectures, then can take a decision to continue, right? Similar way, like you can access the course. And the fourth one will be Snowflake Data Engineering. So here AWS we are taking as a part with the Snowflake. So it's a similar like Azure Data Engineering, but here Snowflake and AWS is a main part instead of Azure. Similar concepts again, SQL, Python, Snowpark. Instead of PySpark, we are going to cover here Snowpark, Snowflake, and AWS we are going to cover. This concept also we have very good demand in the market. Who already working in Azure Data Engineering or else AWS Data Engineering to enhance your skills. Those people also can learn Snowflake as well. And it is taken by the Vipul Sharma. So you can attend his 5 lectures, and if you feel it's good, then can continue for further lectures, guys. For these classes, if you have any doubts or any concerns or else if you need more information, you can approach our team. So you can see our contact details. You can approach these numbers and our team will be there to help you. And you can ping on our WhatsApp also. If you still have any concerns, you can write a message or you can write an email to our team and they will guide you to attend all the free lectures. Thank you, guys.